have an order in from Hannah. Go ahead and open this. Okay, first things first is we do have the freebie vinyl that says Besties Forever. Have my freebie of the Conent, which by the time you see this, it will be changed. This says grow through what you go through, and it's in like a gunmetal color. Here is my new freebie, in case you want to just see it. It's in hollow. It'll be in a different foil color, probably. If you use my code or put my name in the notes. It's spooky season witches. I thought that was like a fun vibe for a freebie. Has some deco, and then happy Halloween and trick-or-treating. So that was cute, usable. We have the journaling cards. We're still going through the freebies here. Journaling card, which is a frozen journaling card. And then I do have the all orders freebie, which says Dear Summer, you are my favorite, love me, with some hole reinforcers in black. So those are all freebies. And then I do have two of my custom multis. I just format these in a weird format, but I'll show you what like a normal custom multi kind of looks like in a second. But this is for the week of like June 24th. This is in font 15, which is my new favorite font in Sparkly Hollow. Then this is for the week of June 17th. And again, this is font 15 in black. You'll see those in future plan with me's. Then I have some custom multis. I did format them for myself, but these are in fonts and things that you can get in the shop. So first things first is in font 15, I do have a lavender hollow. These are all for kits that I'm using in my Erin Condren planner, which is my off-camera planner. This one's really fun as well in font 20 in black. I thought that one was very, very cute. And then I do have in font 18 this one, which I think these three are going to be my most used from the new fonts. And then I also do have the Liney font, which is font 10. I think Hannah put the font 10 on there because she's like, Andrew's not going to remember this. And these are, or maybe I did a long time ago, who knows. In font 10 is like the Liney font. I like this one for like more chic, sophisticated kits. Or just like clean, like, you know what I mean? Not like super cutesy, but just like clean kids. I like this font. And then I also have this font, which I'm not sure what it was called. I think it was available possibly in the anniversary sale, question mark. But it was like a Halloween font from last year. So that's everything I got. I'm not even going to try and pair these. I actually have a windows open currently with her new releases because I need to place a big old order, which you may see later in this haul. So that is everything from Plana to Hannah. Okay, we're here with a little haul bit. I think, is this my first haul bit of the whole month? I think I have last month's stuff still. Plus I also have wax. So I don't remember what my whole thing was, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so this is my monthly at this point Plana Hannah order. So first things first is there is a little freebie sticker that says Dead Tired, which is very cute because it's very me and it's also like my favorite colors. Then they're all different things in here for being Pharrell's. So we have some freebies. So this is my current freebie. It's hard to read in this, but it looks really cool IRL in this foil. It's like a brownish marble kind of color, or like smoky foil, I don't know. But it says, if you get it in the right light, it's spooky season witches. But this is if you use my code or put Andre in the notes if she's having a sale. Otherwise, this is the sale freebie because I ordered during the sale, the birthday sale, I think. And then this one is the monthly freebie, which says, all the time you were throwing punches, I was building something. I also ordered some of the single quotes, which are nice because like sometimes it's nice to have a quote, but you don't need like a whole sheet of quotes. So I got this one for my like kind of back planning for my like Super Bowl spread in my off-camera planner. This one says first day of second grade for Bennett for this year for my filming planner. This one says happy birthday, Theo. I think this is a back planning situation in like the Pixie Gold. And then this one says, I hate it here. And this is for my 4th of July spread in my non-filming planner. Oh, that was cute. Then I do have a custom multi here in black in the like spooky font. I don't think this is like a permanent one, but it was last year. But yeah, I needed it for a spread. And then I also asked her, I was like, hey, I need some black confetti headers, if you could just throw those in. So she was so kind to do that. Then I got a lot of the Taylor Swift quote boxes, and I just got them in like random colors because these just seem like things that I could use like in many different kinds of spreads. So there's like Taylor 4, 5, 6, and Torture's Poets Apartment 1, 2, 2, 7, 4, or is that a 1? Maybe 1. But I just got Taylor 4 in silver, Taylor 5 in light gold, I believe I got it in. Taylor 6 in sparkly hollow, Torture's Poets Apartment 1 in matte bronze, Taylor 7, I believe, in rose gold, Torture's Poets Apartment 2 in pixie rose, Torture's Poets Apartment 2 in matte bronze, and Torture's Poets Apartment 4 in shattered hollow. And then I also did get a bunch of the like large quotes, and I plan to use these in my planner for like my monthly like covers, which I don't know if mine are actually like the pack of inserts I have. I don't know if they have like the blank page, so I might have to like rig it up. But I just ordered, I asked her, I was like, hey, do you like have the files of like the different designs for the Taylor like situation? And she's like, yeah. So I was like, can I just like reference them in the extra large quote? So this is, I Can Do It With a Broken Heart, and this is in pastel rainbow, which is really pretty. And then I also got F It If I Can't Have Him, love it, in pixie rose. I Hate It Here in matte silver. I Love You, It's Ruining My Life in light gold. A Lot Going On in the Moment in the sparkly red. Cause Darling, I'm a Nightmare Dressed Like a Daydream in pixie hollow. And then Reputation in sparkly red as well. And then I also have 2 custom multis. These are formatted weird because I format them for myself. This is in font 15 in silver, and then this is font 15 in sparkly hollow, which is my new favorite font. Oh, I also have the journaling card in here, which is the Mean Girls one. And then I also got some of these new like gift tag labels. I did get like 2 different ones. So I got this one, which has different tos and froms. And then I got this one in a sparkly, or it's like starry hollow, and then like starry rainbow. And then I got this little combination here in, what is this called? I just said it, rainbow, pastel rainbow, and then sparkly hollow. Also, that one's spelled wrong, but that's okay. I'll just cut it and paste it. So, and that one. So, do you know how to spell my last name? Do you know how to spell my last name? Okay. Anyways, so that is that. And then I'm going to go do the haul part, but that'll be in a different part, you know. I have 2 ginormous bags of fantasy wax here. I kind of forgot it was sitting on my floor, so let's go ahead and smell everything. I've been almost exclusively using fantasy wax in my house because they're just like simply the best. Let me just dump them out. Okay, so this one here is, I believe, like the fall bucket list type situation. It smells like fall right now. So first thing here is Visit a Pumpkin Patch, which is pumpkin pie, spice, whipped cream, and pie crust in a cute little jack-o'-lantern shape. That's so yummy. I really smell the whipped cream in that one. It's very, very good. It smells like a pumpkin pie. This one is, I actually don't know. Nope, I think those are Riley Sager ones. This is Go to a Fair, which is apple fritter, salted caramel, and funnel cake. The person actually just texted me. How random. No, I don't know. I love apple fritter, and I have been a big fan of salted caramel. I'm usually not a big fan of funnel cake, but I feel like mixed with all these, it smells really, really yummy. Another text from Kirsten. I'm not going to be helpful on her front on that one. Watch Scary Movies, which is apple strudel, glazed donuts, brown sugar, and funnel cake. She needs to know about freebies need cut, and I'm like, I forgot to look. Yeah, again, like I'm not huge on the funnel cake, but I think mixed with the apple strudel, and the apple fritters. It smells really, really yummy. The next one is Drink a PSL, which is pumpkin spice latte and cafe C. Ooh, that one's so yummy. Nick hates like coffee scents, which is weird because he like loves coffee. I definitely have to melt that when he's not around. Probably like in a PM in the fall, like when I'm reading. Playing the Leaves, which is leaves type, cider lane type, and pumpkin pecan waffles. Ooh, that's like super quintessential fall if you love like a fruitier fall, but still like very warm. That's a good one. And I love these little shapes. They're very cute. The next one is Have a Bonfire, which is Bonfire Bliss and Toasted Mallow. Ooh, I really like that one. I don't know what Bonfire Bliss is, but this one is a banger. That's what I want my whole house to smell like fall all the time. It smells very, very yummy. Go on a Hayride, which is flannel type and warm vanilla sugar. Ooh, flannel type is very like cologne scent, and I feel like it's not my favorite. I think mixed with the warm vanilla sugar, it makes it a little more tolerable, but this one is just not for me. But if you like cologne scents and you're big into fall, I think that one would be probably one that you want to get multiples of. This one is Go to a Farmer's Market, which is pumpkin pecan waffles, blueberry cobbler, and butter brickle. Ooh. Again, I normally don't like blueberry scents, but this one's good, and it reminds me of something I know. Like, you know those nostalgic scents where you're like, I don't know where I've smelled this before, but I have? That's that. Make Caramel Apples, which is Mac Apple and Spiced Caramel Cake. Very, very Mac Apple heavy, but will be so good in the fall. It just gives that apple picking vibe, and I am loving it. Go apple picking. Fresh baked apple, cinnamon, and pretzel. That sounds blissin'. Oh yeah, that one actually might be my favorite out of all of them. That one smells so good with the pretzel. Oh my God. Bacon apple pie, which is apple pie, caramel, and pie crust. Fun fact, I actually don't like apple pie, but I like apple sauce pie. Kitten just taught me that is a thing, and I make one of those probably once a year, and they're so good. So yeah, bacon apple pie. Then we have the Riley Sager collection, which, fun fact, I only ever read one Riley Sager book, and I probably won't read any of them ever again. I was so mad. I think like the thing is though, is there's like many layers to this annoyance of this book, which one, I bought it in, I think I bought the audiobook and the like ebook, or I bought the audiobook and the physical book. I don't remember. I think it was ebook because I don't think I could return it. And that was annoying. The audiobook, the like person reading it sounded like they were 170 years old, which was not like how the like character was. That was annoying. And then just the story was not a vibe. But Riley Sager, we'll be here for the sniffs. House Across the, oh my gosh, this was the book. House Across the Lake, which is musk, amber, and patchouli. I'm already mad at it. It smells like I can imagine the house that she was in smelled like. Okay, the only one left, which is vanilla butter fudge, vanilla bean, no pie crust. That sounds good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I love, for me, snap bars are my office like melt, because what I do is if they're like these, I just snap, and then I snap this in half, and I have 2 warmers in my office at all times. But this one I just like snap into the big 2 chunks, and then the middle one I just take my little slicer. But these are always ones that I melt in my office. That one's gonna be super yummy when I do melt it. Survive the Night, which is espresso, blackberry jam butter cookies, and Palo Santo. I love Palo Santo. Me and my neighbor, I got her into wax. Actually, I don't know if I got her into wax, but I got her into like not Scentsy wax, if that makes sense. Middle of the Night zucchini pumpkin bread. I got her like for Christmas. I got her, they don't sell them new anymore, so I had to get like a used one, but an Accord warmer. And I usually give her scents that I don't like because she likes scents like opposite of me besides Palo Santo. So we were literally talking at the pool this weekend about how much we love Palo Santo and blue sugar and pink sugar and all those. Zucchini pumpkin bread. This smells so good, by the way. Middle of the Night. So yummy. But yeah, I got her into like the like, you know, Rose Girls, Fantasy Wax, L3, blah, blah, blah. Glazed donuts, cinnamon sugar donuts, and malt cider. And what's the other one that she like really likes? Sassy Girl. That one, ooh. That one's interesting. I think I smell mostly the mold cider, which is, oh, this was from the fall one. I'm like, he has a book called Stock Up on Fall Scents. No. Lock Every Door, which is pink sugar, blue sugar, and cake batter. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. I think that this book is pink, with the color accenting the black. That one smells really, really yummy. Home Before Dark, which is pumpkin donuts, maple bourbon, and pretzel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's probably my second favorite out of all of them. It smells so good. And Final Girls, which just reminds me of Final Girl, like the game. And it is pumpkin pretzel latte. It smells very latte-y. Very latte-y. So that's everything from those two collections. Let's get into the other thing, which thank you so much, Kirsten, because you're supplying my wax addiction. I always have a code down below if you want to use it for whole shop. Oh, this one I think is the Lilo and Stitch collection. Okay, so this one, Cobra Bubbles. Maybe these are two different. No, Cobra Bubbles. Why don't I know what that is? I don't know what Cobra Bubbles is, but Lilo and Stitch is not like something I know a lot about. Blue Hawaiian and Fizzy Pop. So this one's gonna be a super summer collection. I'll be honest with you, I don't really like summer scents. So that one is very like coconut pineapple-y kind of vibes. Ohana Means Family, which is coconut cream pie, toasted mallow, and pie crust. This one's nice though. This one's like super creamy. And normally I don't like coconut, so this one is very nice for a coconut scent. Then there is Pudge Controls the Weather, which is peanut butter cookies, banana nut bread, and fresh bread. That sounds good. Oh yeah, that one's super yummy. Reminds me of something that Hannah would really like. The next one is Angel, which is pink sugar, cocoa butter, and cashmere type. Ooh yeah, I love pink sugar. It's one of my favorite like kind of like perfumey scents. Super yum. Lilo is Pink Sands type, Coconut Coast, and sugar cookies. Ooh, that's yummy. I'll probably melt that in my office and save it for, actually I probably should melt it like now. I was gonna say save it for summer, but it is summer. I just don't really ever know what time of the year it is. Experiment 626, which is mango sorbet, and Boom Boom type. This one's not offensive for a mango, probably because it's like a sorbet, but yeah, it's very, very like, it smells like a lotion. Couldn't think of the word. Gantu, lavender milk pistachio boardwalk mallow clouds type. Ooh, that one's bustin'. The pistachio in that one's really, really good. Jumba, cream de menthe and cake batter. Creme de menthe, I don't know. It's like an interesting minty kind of scent. I kind of like it. I feel like it's one of those ones that is going to be like a secret banger on warm. David, Mallow Farside, Cashmere Sugar, and Palo Santo. I saw Apollo and I was like, it's going to be a good one. It smells like Palo Santo plus the beach. And I really like it. Stitch, look at Stitch there being all silly. He is blueberries and cream, yellow cake, and waffle cone. It smells like super blueberry-y and super sweet. Very yum. The next one is Nani, which is Sugar Cookie Royale, Pink Sugar, and Beach Nights type. My neighbor also loves Beach Nights type. It's super yummy. It's very like soft and subtle, but still sweet, so we love that. And then last but not least is Pleakley? I think that's how you say. Just funny, it kind of does look like his eyeball. Strawberry pound cake, blackberry jam, and strawberry soda. I don't think I spelled that either. Okay, so this actually kind of smells like the pink medicine. You know the pink medicine? That's what this smells like. I actually really like the taste of the pink medicine, so there's that. So that is everything from Fantasy Wax. Thanks, Kirsten. I just am obsessed. And like I said, Fantasy Wax is basically like 98% of what I melt in my household. Maybe even 99 at this point. So I'm a fan, obviously. And yeah, always use my code. It's down below. Thank you. Talk to you later. In a minute. Bye-bye.